friends, I am Sumadhur Vaidyula and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am reciting a topical poem which is named as The World Will Move to Peace. A meteor once came and destroyed the planet to its last living creature. This time the monster is not that big, but it can bite the world even though it's amateur. The devastation has spread across all the nations. The businesses and livelihood are flattered through its domination. The world looks big, but it is just that small that a virus can spread across as it can pass through a wormhole. It's not a country or a person to blame. Whatever happens, it's meant to be. The way humans were absorbing the purity of Mother Earth. Now this is a little step towards recovery. The world is not shrinking nor it's exploding, but it has made this joyful earth desolating. It's funny how that little thing can capture the world. Animals are free and humans are caged, which is drastically absurd. The air has become fresher, but it has become difficult to go out without a mask. The people are struggling to keep their cool, which is making this a harder task. The villagers wants to crave their way home, and this panic is inevitable. For all the countries to stand on their feet again, the people are ought to be stable. The stability of the world is dependent on each individual equally. A simple human effort, a penny or a crore, are going to add to the tally. In between all this pandemic, the doctors came as a blessing in disguise. The misfortune is not for the people. They saw a ray of hope for them to survive. It's the humans who have to hold their hands together hypothetically to unite and survive this calamity by staying calm and acting cleverly. Brave warriors have fought many battles in the battlefield over centuries. This is our turn to battle out this pandemic by staying in home's boundaries. The doctors and police officers are charioteers who are riding us through this pandemic. We just have to listen and follow them and make this history an epic. Things will settle down slowly and thoroughly in the near future. The situation just demands a pill of awareness and a gentle gesture. Keep your distance and stay united. Wash your hands and don't let the little virus spread. The sun will shine brighter. The days will be merrier. The introverts will stop cancelling the plans. The pizzas will be burning up in the empty pans. The sport grounds won't stay anymore empty. The attendance of students will again be the problem for plenty. The world will dance in joy and there will be showers of happiness. Hope this monsoon rains those nectar drops which will dissolve this mess. In the end, this time is hard and it will run through ease. Eventually, the world will move to peace. The world will move to peace. In the end, I just want to add up that this is not a pandemic. This is a revolution. A revolution towards change. A revolution towards cleanliness. A revolution towards awareness. And a revolution towards a healthy earth. Warm prayers for the souls who have perished due to the COVID-19. And a very big thank you to all the people who are helping other suffering people by providing them with basic necessities with hygiene and quality in check. A huge salute to those people who are working constantly since last 3 months, maybe staying away from their homes. Especially the doctors who literally came as a blessing in this pandemic by helping the infected people to recover as quickly as possible and also maintaining a positive atmosphere. A short message for the people who are right now at their homes and are safe. We just have to be a little bit more patient regarding the situation and we have to be more alert whenever we move out. It has been a tough situation for all the people out there, the businessmen, the students, the employees, the daily wagers, but we have to believe in the cycle of time and there will be one day when everything will come to normality. This poem is a short attempt to spread positivity across people I know and all those people who are watching this video. If you like this video, it will be really appreciated if you pop that like button and share it to your friends and relatives. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Thank you.